Chuck doesn't need auto-tune.
Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried. Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried. Have some more chicken. Have some more pie. It doesn't matter if it's boiled or fried.
For some reason, I stopped getting recommended Glain Saga. I am very happy. The Glain Saga has finally ended. The One Piece is real.
You put your hand.
I did it.
Come on, we're gonna be best. We can make the make. So die if you, that is come on that ending or maybe yeah.
My name is Walter. Humble White. My name is Walter.
Not rub one out. That's not what I meant to say.
See? No more. It's gone. What?
Driver alert. Obstruction ahead. Reduce speed now.
Die immediately. Okay, so I'm going and no. You still immediately die. I guess we're gonna have to explore with the free camera, I guess. So I tried summoning a light just to see what's going on down here. And apparently there's a
The Glain Saga.
secret
The Glain Saga is my goal. One Piece.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you do in my house?
Larry. Oh, you're right. How did Larry?
He's gone. No, Amchu is gone. So sad. Why do people make fake BPMs? Fake BPMs. Why do people make fake BPMs for my songs? Wait. of them is X. It's seriously gone.
Guys, I have to go AFK for a while.
Okay. I cannot believe it's gone. No! No! It's gone. I'm not going to give up. I will bring it back. The One Piece will be real again.
In this video, I joined my friend's server where they're all playing peacefully and ruin everything. I have a camera mod that lets me record. In this video, I joined my friend's server where they're all playing peacefully and ruin everything. I have a camera mod that lets me record whatever. In this video, I joined my friend's server where they're all playing.
I want to listen to it.
I have a camera mod that lets me record what everyone on the server is doing at all times. Then I convince them to commit a real-life crime with me in-game. When they do it, the police show up. I'm talking sirens, fuel machines, cars, everything. So, while they think I'm being nice, really, I'm trying to give them life. Sit back, grab yourself a boiled pizza. Let's do this. So, the plan is I'm going to spin a random wheel. And whatever it lands on, guys, we have to convince one of our friends to do it.
I know how to bring it back.
In that direction, but for them to commit a crime,
420.
we're going to have to try and convince them to do it. Yeah, we're a little bit insane. Here we go, spin that wheel, baby. Let's see what crime they're going to commit today. Littering. Oh my god. How are we going to convince someone to litter? What's considered littering? Oh god, someone's going to have to do a litter on the ground. Okay, this is going to be easy. Let's do this. Look at the sign's house. It's over there. I'm like 90% sure. He was there like 10 minutes ago. Oh god, please don't tell me he let. Oh, there. He's texting there. You see it. Sorry, okay, let's escape. Start recording. We got our footage just in case. Okay, we're going to catch this guy littering on the server.
Oh my god!
Get some sand. Oh, no, it's funny.
Oh, look.
He said, hey, buddy. I don't ever trust what he said.
It's
Hey,
appeared
buddy.
again.
He does not look happy to see me. Oh,
Hey, buddy boy.
no. I said, can I have some food, please? Gonna die.
Yeah, sure. That's weird.
Oh, look.
Why is he being weird? He said, okay, thanks. Why is he saying buddy and saying, okay, thanks? This guy's in creative 95% of his life.
We got him, look. Let's fly away in green mode. That's definitely gonna scare him, look.
He's in creative. I see him flying away. Did he not just grab the food and then fly?
There we go. We stopped the recording. If we press escape, disconnect.
Just left the game. That guy's officially weird.
So now if we go into replay mode, you can see, all right, we're about to catch him in the act. That's us right there. Oh my god. Okay, so that's when we went inside the house. Okay, we saw him. We typed in chat. We said, hey, buddy. Okay, perfect. Wait, here we go. Now we can go arrest him. Let's go.
Who asks for food and then just flies away while in creative mode? He's lost his mind. Is he about to fly in from over there again?
Oh, police officer Donnie's back. Let's go.
Dude, no. Stay away.
Look what I have. My police mobile.
He's up to something. Why in the world would he do that? Exactly. Nobody has an answer. He's lost his mind.
And I also added the mod that lets me lasso people. So that's going to be a bit of fun.
Nah, bro.
Oh, here we go. You know what? You think that's the only mod I added? It's time for the pew pew.
Where? Where is he? Where?
Guys, and we've also got the picture in-game now, so there we go. We can see. We have proof that this guy was littering on the server. We're about to make him rot in jail. It's time for the fireball. The police, the FBI, the CIA. We're showing up, baby. Let's go. Get on the ground.
This is so real.
The best thing to do, guys, is just literally like stand and wait for something to happen. You just stand. Maybe if we go AFK, we good. Nothing will happen. Something's gonna happen. I'm gonna put money on it. But everybody watch the problem. Something happens. But I won't react, so nothing will actually happen. Oh my god! Are you serious? What is that? It's on the ground. What did I